Hey everybody, Sam with MoPros, professional, knowledgeable, and reliable. That's who we are here at MoPros. Today I'm coming to you from outside the city limits of Waxahachie, Texas. We are at a repeat customer's house. Last time we were here, we installed 6 zones of irrigation. I think it was 20 pallets of Bermuda sod and 8 pallets of St. Augustine sod. So that is this area right here. It is coming in beautifully. That was probably 3 or 4 months ago, and this yard is nice and established now. We did Bermuda out here in the open area where it gets a little more sunlight, and we did St. Augustine in the really dense part of the yard where it doesn't get as much sunlight. But today we're doing something completely different. We're gonna install a fountain and do a little hardscape in an area right outside their back door. So let's go take a look. Here we go. Aaron pulling up with our fountain here. What you got, Aaron?
I got a special delivery.
This is just a plastic reservoir. Nice. There it is. That pot normally takes 2 people to pick up. All right, here's the area we are working on today. Customer had a fountain back here that actually the neighbor's dogs came and knocked over and broke. And so they went and picked out a nice, beautiful fountain at the greenery. And we are gonna install it over here. But you know, we can't just do one little thing, so we also are adding some chopped stone and mortar to border this entire area. We're gonna put fabric down when we're done, clean the river rock, put the river rock back over. It's gonna look really nice. Right, Manuel?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Chano loves getting on camera. We gotta make sure he gets his time in. All right, y'all, that concludes this video. Just a real short one for you. This was a one-day project, but we love whatever we do, whether it's big or small. We take our job seriously. We make sure we clean up afterwards. We make sure we leave every space nicer than we found it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're cleaning up, and I'm about to show you the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you appreciated this video, and keep watching them.